Okay, I can't make this any easier to get your first wholesaling real estate deal. I am launching to the first time ever in this wholesaling industry what we are calling the bounty lists. I'm being straight up with you. It was first and foremost, I thought it was the information that was stopping you from getting your first wholesale deal. Then I thought maybe I'm just not teaching it well enough. So I redid my entire wholesaling real estate course set. I deleted everything, re-uploaded everything, re-recorded everything. I made it even better. Then I realized that that was part of the equation, but the information wasn't the thing, right? Because if everyone had the same information, then everyone should have the same results, right? And then I realized it's just kind of like dieting or, getting buff. Like everybody knows the information to get a six-pack, right? You eat really healthy, you eat high protein, and you work out every single day and you don't eat junk food. Well, everybody knows that, but there are still plenty of people that are overweight. There are still plenty of people trying to get six-pack that could never get there. And then I realized it's not just going out here and getting information, it's the implementation. And so that's why most people will pay $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 to go out here and learn from somebody how to wholesale. Because it's not about the information, right? I mean, the info is half, but everyone kind of has the same info out here in wholesaling. And freewholesaling.com is free info. And then it was the community. And then I created the community, but then everyone's like, well, it's the implementation and the accountability. And then I realized the one thing stopping most wholesalers from having success and going out here and becoming successful was just straight up, and I don't know how to say this the right way, but like just kicking you in the butt and making you actually do the work. You see, most people are driven by money for success, but sometimes it's just being comfortable and not doing something that's too scary. And that's why I'm getting a lot of people that are trying to become successful, but they just can never pull a government list. They can never pull the list, get it skip traced. And trust me, it is a gauntlet out here to go to truepeoplesearch.com, cyberbackgroundchecks.com, and pull the list, skip trace it, because it's going to take you 50, 60, even 100 hours to skip trace a regular high equity list in your city. So it's like, I might not want to put 150 hours this week into skip tracing. Obviously, you might not have money for X leads, get 15,000 skip traces included. I decided today that we're going to launch something called the Bounty List in Wholesaling Real Estate, aka my free real estate wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com. And so this is an exact bounty list that you are going to be able to have every single month. So this is kind of like Dog the Bounty Hunter, where I'm going to give you, the wholesaler, a bounty. So let me show you exactly how this works. So if you go here to freewholesaling.com, this is how you access the bounty list. And I did a lot of really cool stuff here. So basically what I did was I re-uploaded and redid my entire government list spreadsheet. And so what we're going to do is give out this bounty list. We're going to make it even easier for wholesalers to get their first wholesaling deal. Like I said in the beginning, I literally can't make this any easier. I'm going to pull the list inside of X Leads. I'm going to filter it out. I'm going to make sure that it is perfect and the best curation of a wholesaling list for you to have success in a certain market every single month. And then from there, I'm going to skip trace the data. Now the thing is, any other wholesaling software, if I pull lists, spend thousands of dollars skip tracing it and then giving to you guys for free, I'd be breaking their terms of service and I would probably get in a lot of trouble. It would never really be something that would be available or able for me to do. But guess what? Because I own X Leads, I can basically do whatever I want. So I'm introducing this list where I'm going to give you the list, and if you can get a deal from this list, I'm going to give you a bounty or some money for it, right? So this is pretty much what it is, right? We're adding more government list onto the spreadsheet. We're also going to do something really cool, which is going to be a government list of the month. Now there's no bounty, there's no money for this. This is just a freebie for everybody every single month. And what this one is we're going to be giving out the Fort Worth, Texas open code violations. Now, by the time you get this video, maybe we changed it to the next month, but every single month we're going to be changing the bounty list and the government list of the month. So bounty list is going to be the list of the month. Government list of the month is going to be the government list of the month. So all you have to do is just go here to freewholesaling.com, go to the top of the spreadsheet and click it right here. And you're going to be able to get this spreadsheet. Now, it's going to have 3 tabs here, right? We're going to have master sheet, list of the month, and government list of the month. Now, as you can see right here, this is access to all of the government data that is absolutely for free for us to go attack and wholesale. So if you look here, right, if I'm looking to do this, this is all organized by state. So if I'm looking to get, let's say, the probates out here in Volusia County, which is like Daytona Beach area, All I gotta do is click this link and it's gonna be able to get me all the pre-foreclosures, probates, and all this awesome stuff. If I wanna get something in Connecticut, it's gonna be right there. So all the public government lists across the entire country is gonna be right here. I think that's actually really cool. So if I look at this map here, right, this is where basically I can get all this government data. So if I wanna get government data out here in Chattanooga, it's right here. If I wanna get government list in Nashville, they're pretty much all over the place. And this is really awesome niched out data sets. Now, right here is going to be Portland, Oregon, right? And there is just all these crazy markets we can start getting a ton of deals in. Now, we're gonna have to blur this out for YouTube, unfortunately, but we just gotta blur basically all this data out on the bottom. But this is the bounty list right here. So this is the X Leads bounty list. And basically we're gonna get a market, Dallas County, type, vacant high equities, and the prize is we're going to give out for this month only X leads for an entire year for free, because most of the big prizes are, oh, I made $20,000. I changed my entire life. Well, that's not good enough for some of y'all, right? You want even more. Well, I got something more for you. X leads for a year for free, and probably you making 20 grand and changing your life. I mean, that's basically a win-win. I mean, that's the best win-win I can even imagine, right? So how does this start and how do we do this, right? Well, first and foremost, we got the data here. So just scroll to the right here, all the phone numbers will pop up. So we just gotta make sure we blur most of this information, but here are all the phone numbers. You're definitely not gonna be able to see it on YouTube, but if you go in the spreadsheet, you can confirm and go in the comments that it is true and it is working. We also got the emails out here. So email is gonna be right here if we wanna email them. And we can start attacking and marketing to this list. Next here is gonna be the government list of the month. So every single month, I'm gonna pull a list. This one was Fort Worth, Texas. And I'll be straight up with you. Fort Worth, Texas is an extremely difficult place to get the code violations. Not because it's like very difficult, like, right. So if I go to this master sheet here, let's go out here and find Fort Worth, Texas, for example. If we go to Fort Worth, Texas and click the code violations, you can go to the website right here. It's really not that difficult. You just press export, you're good to go. The main issue with this data set that I found is these are the columns for them, right? They'll give the location, which is the address, and they'll give the city, but they don't give out the zip code, and that makes it very difficult to skip trace. So I had to use some very high-level geo-locating software to go out here with Python code and make it all perfect. But basically, we're able to get the code violations sorted out perfectly, skip traced for you right here. Owner type, information of the house, square footage, phone numbers are going to be right here for you, and the names, and you're going to be able to go out here and market it. Now, the real question is, well, Zach, all right, well, I got the data, but like, how do I go attack it? Well, this is pretty simple, guys, right? So obviously we're in freewholesaling.com right here. All I do is go to Classroom, and if I want to learn how to cold call, I'd go here and I would cold call. So if you have no money, Google Voice is probably what I'm going to highly recommend, or use the X Leads dialer. If you want to figure out what the property's worth, we teach that right there. If you want to dispo it, right there, lock it up, it's right there. But also what I'd recommend is you call and text. So it's all going to be under marketing. Now, if you're looking to email blasts, so you got to remember with the spreadsheet, the emails do pop up. So let's go try to find the emails. So emails right here, obviously this has to be blurred, but these are all the emails. You don't know this probably, but you can do thousands of emails every single month, 100% completely for free. All you have to do is what I call my EOG system, my email offer generator, where you're going to be able to start using Google Sheets, mail merge it with Gmail, and send thousands upon thousands of emails every single month. These are going to be inbound leads that actually go to us so we can get wholesaling deals. Now, this specific bounty list cold calling system where we call, text, and send an email, I'm calling it the CTE method. Now, CTE kind of is funny because that's like what NFL players get when their brain's all messed up, but it is actually a completely true method. And what this means is we're going to go out here and call our leads, and then everybody that does not pick up the phone, we are going to text those. We're not going to go specifically text all the data set, right? Everyone that doesn't pick up the phone, we are going to text them. Now, if somebody doesn't pick up the phone and we text them and they don't text us back, then we're going to have that data set, and that is going to be everyone that we email blast. So we're going to do a CTE system. Call, text, email. Pretty much the simplest form for us to get wholesaling deals. Now, outside of that, I think one of the most valuable parts that we teach here in freewholesaling.com is going to be the amazing and awesome community here. So in the community, you can talk to other like-minded wholesalers in your area. Now, if you want to find who's in your area, I'd recommend you go to map here and figure it out. So if you're wholesaling, let's say in, I don't know, Mexico City, right? Look at all these other wholesalers in Mexico City I can go hit up, meet up, and talk, like Steve right here. I can also talk to, Richard right here in Mexico City. So many wholesalers in your personal market, right? And this is, hey, I'm Mr. 305 International over here. But look at all these members from across the country. If I'm living out here in Colorado Springs, I can go hang out. Or let's say I'm in Florida and I have a deal locked up in Colorado Springs. I need a boots on the ground. I can go and find a member. Oliver's right there. That'd be cool. I can hit up Trevor, right? I can hit up all these people who are inside the community that I can talk to. Now, it's really cool because we can DM people. Now, obviously, I own the group, but you're limited to only 5 DMs per day, which isn't too bad. That's 1,500 connections you can make a year. But I would tell you to use your DMs and start messaging people all over the country, and specifically in the virtual wholesaling markets you're at. There is seriously no areas really in most of Western civilization that I don't have students in for wholesaling real estate. I don't have any in Cuba right now. I think capitalism's banned there. But pretty much everywhere else, we got plenty of people. We got Jamaica, awesome. We got everyone in Puerto Rico. I mean, all the islands, Curacao. I mean, we got all over Africa, which is really cool, right? We got so many in Europe. We got so many in Asia, right? I mean, we have pretty much everywhere. For some reason, we have no one in Iceland. I feel like I have wholesalers in stinking Greenland. I got multiple people in Greenland. And you're telling me that you're struggling finding people. Okay, you're struggling to find people to work with, right? So the community aspect's right here. The lists are here. I basically did everything for you. The only thing I am now asking you is just to call. I've pulled the list. I've given you a community. I've given you the course. What more do you want? I literally gave you a cold calling CRM. I gave you CRMs and cold calling CRMs and calculators, and it's all there. All I need you to do is just smile and dial. Call all the leads, and then text everyone that doesn't pick up the call, and then email everyone that didn't pick up the call or the text, and boom, you're going to get a wholesaling real estate deal. I cannot make this any more simple. Go out here to freewholesaling.com, learn how to wholesale real estate for free, grab some free lists, and next month we're going to reset it all over again. Guys, this is Zach Ginn signing out. Please do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe. Have a blessed one.